A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. We have discussed the dehydrating nature of sulfuric acid. So, today we are going to discuss more properties of sulfuric acid. We have already learned about drying agent. Drying agents are substances capable of absorbing the moisture present in a substance. Concentrated sulfuric acid is used as a drying agent in the preparation of Cl2, SO2, HCl. Why is concentrated sulfuric acid is not used as a drying agent in the preparation of ammonia? Because the sulfuric acid will react with ammonia, which is basic in nature. That is why sulfuric acid is not used as a drying agent in the preparation of ammonia. Now, let us discuss the reactions of sulfuric acid with salts. Concentrated sulfuric acid forms hydrogen chloride on reaction with chlorides and nitric acid on reaction with nitrates. Let us see the equations of these chemical reactions. NaCl plus H2SO4 gives NaHSO4 plus HCl. KNO3 plus H2SO4 gives KHSO4 plus HNO3. Here, concentrated sulfuric acid can displace volatile acids from their salts. That is, in the first reaction, concentrated sulfuric acid displaces hydrochloric acid from chloride salt, and in the second reaction, sulfuric acid displaces nitric acid from nitrate salt. This method is employed in the preparation of hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. Now, let us discuss another property of sulfuric acid, that is oxidizing nature. Concentrated sulfuric acid react with metals and non-metals and oxidizes them. Look at this equation. Here, carbon and sulfuric acid reacted to give carbon dioxide, water and sulfur dioxide, right? What is the oxidation state of elemental carbon here? 0. And what about the carbon in carbon dioxide? Plus 4. Like this, what is the oxidation state of sulfur in sulfuric acid? Plus 6. What about the sulfur in sulfur dioxide? Plus 4. That means here the oxidation state of carbon increases from 0 to 4 and the oxidation state of sulfur decreases from 6 to 4. So, we can say that carbon gets oxidized and sulfur gets deoxidized. Now, let us discuss another example. Look at this reaction. Is carbon oxidized or reduced in this case? Here, the oxidation state of copper increases from 0 to 2. That means copper gets oxidized. So, we can say that sulfuric acid acts as a oxidizing agent in both the reactions. I hope you have understood how we can prepare sulfuric acid and what are the physical and chemical properties of sulfuric acid. Now, let us discuss the identification of sulfate ions. Take a little sodium sulfate solution in a test tube and add 3 to 4 drops of barium chloride solution to it. What can you observe? Barium sulfate and sodium chloride are formed. Which substance is soluble in water among the products? Sodium chloride. Which substance is the white precipitate? Barium sulfate. Does the white precipitate dissolve when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to it? No, right? Now, let us complete the table given below by adding barium chloride solution to magnesium sulfate solution. A white precipitate will be formed and this white precipitate is insoluble in dilute HCl. Like this, when barium chloride solution is added to zinc sulfate solution, a white precipitate is formed and this white precipitate is insoluble in dilute HCl. So, from these experiments, we can conclude that sulfate salts react with barium chloride to form a white precipitate of barium sulfate and it is not soluble in dilute hydrochloric acid. So, in this chapter, we have studied some important compounds of nonmetals and their properties. See you later.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS the Learning App.